When you combine them, they trigger a chemical exfoliation that melts away the thick, stubborn black layer on your heels and knuckles in exactly 20 minutes. My name is Mira. I'm an at-home esthetician, and I haven't paid for a professional pedicure in over 3 years. Today, I'm going to show you my exact 6-step kitchen pedicure system. I'll show you the exact soak ratio, the lactic acid scrub you can make from your fridge, and the final clay pack that locks it all in. Stay with me. By tonight, your feet and hands are going to look completely transformed, and you will have spent less than $5. Apply this directly to the darkest areas of your feet and hands. The effervescence combined with the citric acid creates a micro-lift, loosening the stubborn tan. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Yes, shampoo strips your skin. That is exactly what we want right now. We are actively dehydrating the dead cells so they loosen their grip. Soak your feet for 15 minutes. The coffee provides physical exfoliation, while the curd delivers lactic acid to chemically dissolve the bonds between dead skin cells. The rice flour immediately brightens, and the glycerin starts pumping moisture back into the fresh skin we are revealing. Scrub your feet and hands vigorously for 3 minutes. Once you rinse that off, your skin will feel incredibly soft, but it is currently unprotected. We need to seal it. Apply this pack and let it dry for 10 minutes. The clay tightens the pores while the rice flour sets an even, brightened tone. Once you rinse it off, immediately apply a thick layer of your favorite heavy moisturizer to lock the hydration into the fresh skin barrier. When you neglect your hands and feet, you aren't just letting dead skin build up. You are damaging your skin barrier, wasting money on pedicures that just scrape at the surface, and hiding your feet because you lack confidence. You have the power to fix this safely right now. Tell me your exact skin type in the comments below, and let me know the minute you finish trying this soak. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe so you don't miss next week's system.